Across the world, people eat bananas and plantains. While some prepare banana as part of their main meal, many just eat it as a fruit. And where people have grown up eating cooked or grilled bananas or plantains twice a day, many want to eat different fruits, which further pushes down prices. Many farming families grow bananas and sell to the local market. But with plenty of fresh bananas available, they fetch a low price. Once harvested, bananas don't keep long and are easily damaged during handling and storage. But it is possible to turn your bananas or plantains into another nutritional product, namely flour. Let us visit the Maisha Bora Women's Group in central Kenya, who will tell us more benefits of banana flour and how to make it. Banana flour takes up less space and can be stored for a much longer period than fresh bananas. You can also transport flour more easily as it is less bulky. But above all, many people like to buy banana flour because they can use it in many different ways. Porridge can be made with pure banana flour. You can also make ugali, chapati, donuts, and pancakes. But because the banana flour is very fine, you have to mix it with other flour.
We prepared the chips out of the whole banana, the flesh and the peels and the sap. That tells us that that banana is wholesome. And banana itself has got all that we need in our bodies, nutrition-wise, and even promotion of health holistically. So when we prepare this banana flour, it means that we have got all that we need from that banana.
The importance of banana porridge to children is that it boosts their thinking and energy. Our parents in the old days gave us bananas, but we saw it as a traditional thing without benefit. But now we realize the benefits. We see that those children who eat banana flour porridge are performing better in school than those who don't.
Making banana flour is easier done in a group. That's why Maisha Bora Women's Group was founded. The group laid out clear rules and procedures to make sure all members contribute towards the work.
Gikundi giki ni gitwarithagia na mbere na uhoro wa gukirorera mitugo na uhoro wa kurora mutaratara wa uria twifanye.
The group is managed by observing the rules and regulations. This is written in our constitution. If anybody does not follow these rules, we advise them to read the constitution so they know the group rules and regulations. When we sell the products, we divide the profits equally. Nobody gets more than the other because we work as a group and therefore each plays an equal role.
Now that we know the benefits of banana flour, let's start to make it. Harvest bananas from your garden or buy fresh bananas from the farmers. You can turn most banana varieties into flour any time of the year, but make sure the bananas have not been sprayed with chemicals.
We use bananas that are green and not yet ripe because they have a lot of sap which contains many nutrients. We do not use the ripe bananas as they have a lot of sugar. The flour spoils easily and can go bad faster. You cannot keep it for long.
The Maishabora group buys bananas from its members, as well as from the surrounding community. Everyone gets a fair price as the group invested in a weighing scale so that bananas are no longer paid by the bunch, but by the weight. Remove the bananas from the bunch. Wash them thoroughly with clean water to remove any dirt. Chop off both ends of the banana. Do not peel them.
We went into the books to see what is happening, what is in the banana. And we came to realize that the banana is very, very strong. It has got all the elements that our bodies need. But the main part of banana, which has got the strength of that banana, is not in the flesh. It is in the sap. And the sap is contained in the peel. This is the reason why we do not peel.
Slice the banana lengthwise 2 or 3 times. Cut the banana across into thin, equal pieces, not more than half a centimeter thick. The thicker you leave the pieces, the longer they will take to dry. You can dry your banana chips in the sun, but it will be faster and more hygienic to use a solar dryer. Solar dryers capture the heat of the sun, speeding up the drying. Your banana chips are also protected from dust, dirt, and rats. There are many different models of solar dryers. The one used by the Maishabora group is a simple transparent plastic house of 2 meters by 3 meters. Collect the fresh banana chips on a clean tray and take them to the solar dryer. As hygiene is important, anyone entering the solar dryer washes their feet in disinfectant. Spread the banana chips on the racks in the solar dryer, making sure they do not stick together. Turn the banana pieces once a day for 3 to 5 days for consistent drying.
The dry ones will break like just a dry piece of a wood. Just something dry, you know how it breaks and how it feels when it is breaking.
Place the dried banana chips in a clean airtight bag. This bag can be kept in a second bag for extra protection. Store these in a dry place until you have sufficient quantity to mill. This reduces your transport cost and the cost of milling. Take the dried banana chips to your nearby mill for grinding. The miller will want the banana chips sieved in case there are any particles that could damage his mill. Now, pour the dried banana chips into the mill for grinding. Check the fineness of the flour coming out. If necessary, the mill is adjusted. Collect your banana flour in a clean dry bag or container. When you get home, store the banana flour in an airtight bag or container in a dry place, protected from sunlight until you want to sell it. Like other flours, banana flour can be stored for a long period if kept dry. Pack the banana flour into small quantities according to your customer's requirements. Use a weighing scale for accuracy. Now, let us look at what we have learned. Banana flour fetches a good price as it can be used to prepare a wide variety of food products. Harvest bunches of green bananas or plantains. Wash the bananas thoroughly in clean water. Slice the bananas without removing the peel, as the sap is highly nutritious. Cut them into small chips of equal thickness. Dry the fresh banana chips in a solar dryer for 3 to 5 days, turning the chips daily. Grind the dried chips into flour. Pack in airtight bags or containers and store in a dry place. My Shabora Women's Group has shown us the benefits and profits to be made from banana flour. By making bananas into flour, it has helped them change their lives.